Hi there, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about motivators and inducements, small checkout elements that can have a surprisingly big impact on conversion rates. In e-commerce, these techniques are commonly used to increase urgency, improve trust, and encourage customers to complete their purchases instead of abandoning the checkout. Let's see how to configure them inside Checkify Plus. Open your Checkify admin panel and go to the Customization tab. Here, you need to find Page Settings. The first feature is the Custom Text Bar. This allows you to display additional information directly on the checkout page or anything else that helps reduce hesitation during checkout. The second feature is the Cart Reservation Timer, also known as the Countdown Timer. This creates urgency by showing customers that their cart or offer is reserved only for a limited amount of time. Enable the timer, configure the desired duration, and save your settings. We also have a page here called Inducements. In this section, you can customize the offer title, add your own text, and upload an image. This allows you to place additional trust-building elements, customer reviews, product information, or any other content aimed at increasing conversion rates directly on the checkout page. After adding the necessary information, save your changes. Now let's customize how these elements actually appear on the checkout page. Go to the Localization tab and find the Motivators section. Here you can fully edit the text displayed inside the custom text bar and countdown timer. You can also use this section to add buyer reviews, trust messages, or extra information directly inside the checkout page. These small details help create social proof and make the checkout feel more trustworthy and active. Now let's see how it looks on the actual checkout page. As you can see, the motivator bar is now displayed directly on the checkout, along with the countdown timer and additional trust elements. Together, these features help create urgency, improve buyer confidence, and encourage customers to complete the purchase. And that's it. By combining urgency, social proof, and trust signals, you can make your checkout feel much more optimized and conversion-focused without changing the core checkout flow. Feel free to save this video if it helped you better understand motivators and inducements in Checkify. And let us know if you want guides for more checkout optimization features. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.